Yeah, so it's a 69 Fastback. Used to have a straight 6. Put in a 302 from another 69, but you know, I didn't want to leave it with just unreliable carburetors, so ended up piecing together a fuel injection unit from an 88 Mustang and just kind of all hacked it together, Frankenstein.
Yeah.
But you know, it's 5-speed overdrive, so you know, it doesn't kill my eardrums on the highway. Rear end's out of a 95 GT, so I've got disc brakes all around now.
Okay.
Yeah, and apart from that, I mean, it's fairly stock. I kept all the emission gear on it and everything, in case MTO is watching.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
I am legal.
Yeah, 100%.
Apart from that, it's just, you know, minor interior upgrades, you know, different wheels from a like new Edge Mustang, and
Okay.
just driving it.
Appreciate it, man.